Dumpster rental service in Fort Myers, Florida. Looking for a dependable dumpster rental service in Fort Myers, Florida? Whether you're tackling a home renovation, a construction project, or a major cleanup, Big Dawg Dumpsters is your trusted waste management partner. No project is too big or small. We offer a range of roll-off dumpsters to suit your needs, from small home cleanups to large-scale commercial projects. Not sure which size you need? Our team is here to help you choose the perfect fit. Fast delivery, easy pickup, no hassle. We pride ourselves on prompt service, ensuring your dumpster arrives on time and is removed quickly when you're done, so you can focus on your project without delays. Renting a dumpster has never been easier. We offer transparent pricing with no hidden fees, so you always know what to expect. From home renovations and roofing projects to landscaping and commercial waste, our dumpsters keep your site clean and organized. Serving Fort Myers, we're committed to affordable, efficient, and eco-friendly waste management solutions. We make sure your waste is disposed of properly, following all local regulations. Join the countless homeowners, contractors, and businesses who trust Big Dawg Dumpsters for their waste removal needs. Let's make your cleanup stress-free. Call 743-244-3294 today to book your dumpster rental.